You've noticed it, right? Every single time someone starts talking about artificial intelligence, one name just pops up: NVIDIA. It's kind of wild. A name that used to just be for gamers is now at the absolute heart of this massive global tech revolution.
So why? Why them? I've been digging into this, and trust me, it's way more than just they make fast chips. It's this incredible story of playing the long game, of building a complete system so powerful it basically is the engine for modern AI. And it all boils down to three huge pillars they started putting in place years before anyone else even saw what was coming.
All right, pillar number 1. This is the one you can actually see and touch: the hardware. NVIDIA got this insane head start because, while everyone else was focused on other things, they were literally building the future of AI right into their products. Now this is where it gets super interesting. For a long time, GPUs used these things called CUDA cores. Think of them like a versatile multi-tool, pretty good at a lot of different things for graphics. But NVIDIA made this massive bet. They figured out that AI doesn't need a multi-tool. AI needs a scalpel. It does one specific thing over and over and over again with mind-numbing repetition: matrix math. So they built the scalpel. They built the tensor core, a piece of hardware designed to do one job and do it with just ridiculous, brutal efficiency. And get this wasn't a one-off thing or a lucky guess. This has been their game plan for years, and that advantage has been compounding. It all started way back with their RTX 20 series cards, when they first put these AI superchargers into our hands. We're now 5 full generations deep. Each one is a massive leap forward, making AI faster and more efficient, and building a hardware lead that just gets bigger with every single release. But, having the world's fastest engine doesn't mean a thing if nobody knows how to drive the car.
And that brings us to pillar number 2. And honestly, this is where NVIDIA's strategy goes from being really smart to just plain genius. See, they didn't just build the engine. They built the entire factory, the tools, the instruction manual, everything. They built what you can only describe as a software fortress.
Instead of just selling a graphics card and saying, "Hey, good luck," NVIDIA gives developers this whole suite of incredible tools. You've got CUDA, which is the basic language for talking to the chip. Then you have things like TensorRT for high-performance AI, and even super specialized stuff for large language models. The crucial point here is they're not just selling hardware. They're handing developers the keys to a Formula One car, along with the blueprints, a full pit crew, and driving lessons. It makes unleashing all that power almost effortless.
And here's the payoff for developers. By using NVIDIA's own optimized software, they can often double the performance of their AI apps. Just like that. 2 times faster. For a developer, getting a 2x boost for free, that is a total no-brainer. It makes their platform sticky, powerful, and frankly, the only logical choice.
And this is where it all circles back to you and me. Because the programmers, the people making the software, have an easier, faster path. We, the people actually using the software, get way better, faster, and just more incredible products. Which of course leads us right into our third and final pillar. So think about it. You've got the most dominant hardware. You've got an unbeatable software toolkit. What happens next? An absolute explosion of applications. It was inevitable. NVIDIA basically became the foundation that this whole new world of AI was built on. They created an application empire. And when I say empire, I really mean it. The scale is just staggering. We're not talking about a handful of niche programs. At this point, we're talking about more than 600 different games and applications that are accelerated by NVIDIA's AI technology. It's not just an option anymore, it's become the default standard. The most familiar example for a lot of us is in gaming. All those acronyms you see, DLSS, ray reconstruction, reflex, they're all just different flavors of NVIDIA's AI at work. One uses AI to boost your frame rates, another creates unbelievably realistic lighting, and another makes your controls feel instantaneous. It's all AI, all working together behind the scenes to make your games look better and run smoother.
So what does this mean for you? It's beautifully simple. Developers use NVIDIA's easy toolkits to build these AI features into their games. The result is a game that looks stunning and runs incredibly well. And for you, the best part is that you don't have to do a thing. In a lot of cases, it's all on by default. You just press play. Okay, so now, let's put it all together. These 3 pillars, hardware, software, and applications, they're not just separate strengths. They all feed into each other, creating this powerful self-reinforcing cycle of dominance. It's a flywheel, and once a flywheel like this gets spinning, it is incredibly difficult to stop. Here's how it works. It all starts here. The best-in-class, specialized hardware attracts the most ambitious developers.
the people who want to build the future of AI. Those developers then use NVIDIA's easy and powerful software tools, that software fortress, to create an enormous ecosystem of amazing AI-powered applications and games.
And the incredible popularity of those applications creates massive demand from all of us for the next generation of even more powerful hardware. And that kicks the entire cycle off again, spinning faster and faster with each rotation, solidifying their position right at the center of the AI universe.
So, when you boil it all down, it's not just about making fast chips. It's about building a complete end-to-end system that is the engine of the AI revolution. And that leaves us with one massive question for the future. As AI continues its march into every corner of our world, who else out there can even begin to build something to rival it?
If you enjoy this video, please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell to the later update from my channel. Thank you for watching till the end and see you in the next video.